Yo, what is good? So, just back with another live trade. Currently looking at GJ once again. I promise I don't only trade GJ, but maybe I should at this point. I've got a really nice demand zone that's coming down to, well, it's no longer coming down to it, but it was. And we're just looking to see some reactions off it and take it from there if possible. Okay, we've also got GU that's doing basically the exact same thing, and it is rejecting real hard. Okay, it might be a GU trade. I honestly prefer GJ a little bit, but I have a feeling it's just not going to tap the way it's going up. I guess it might be slightly correlated to GU going up, so GJ is kind of going with it. See, GU was also tapped into a 1 hour demand, but I mean that was a while ago. Who knows if we're still kind of coming off of that. Just right here. I'm gonna just see how this reacts, man. GJ does look better, to be honest, but I don't know if it's gonna even come down. Looks like it's just going up. Okay, I might get on this break of candle, to be honest. And okay, I'm in. Yeah, now we just wait. Alright, it is Q4 and it is also NFP week, okay? So, might have to just go for a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 is around here. Okay, the markets have just stopped, I guess. Literally everything's just slowed down like crazy. Don't know how I feel about that. What is going on in this trade? Oh, great. Spoke about Ali. Damn, it's really just not doing much. She's just stuck. There we go. That's something. Alright, now let's see what this candle does, because honestly, the next candle after break often decides whether it's going to be a good trade or not. If it just starts reversing, then it might just be a loser. But we got a nice little push up. But like I said, might just go for a 1-to-1 on this, because Q4 and NFP week is crazy. That's a nice push up. Do I just take this for a 1-to-1? I think I will. This is a bit more than the 1-to-1. It's like, this is like a 1 to 1.3 or something, but it's all good. I think there's quite a few people in the Discord taking this. The Discord's gone crazy now. Like, there's so many people in there, I don't know what happened. But we've got quite a few people taking this. Some people going for 1-to-2s, but I'm probably just going to take my 1-to-1 because of the circumstance we're in right now. It's going to be like the messiest time of just ever. NFP and Q4, that is crazy. Yeah, I'm basically just looking for it to fill this gap and go a little bit into this shitty supply. That's all I need from EGU. Just go up a little bit, just a little bit more. Damn, that is beautiful. That is gorgeous. But yeah, last week was trash, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Last week was absolutely trash, supply and demand. Over the weekend, I've literally just been revising shit on support and resistance and liquidity grabs for when it's in like consolidatory kind of areas, because that's when I'll be losing the most, because supply and demand don't really work in those kind of conditions. So I got to start pulling out liquidity grabs, support and resistance setups, and yeah, so I'm prepared for those kind of situations now. But today, I've got a nice demand setup right here, and hopefully we can quickly take a win to start off the week. It's the only day of the week with no news. 1-to-1 has been hit. Why has it just stopped? This is so stressful. Why is it just... Oh, it literally tapped TP. What are you talking about? You're actually lying. Ah, bro. That is actually so unfortunate. Okay, I took it at 1-to-1. That's all good. I just don't trust the momentum that just came with. That is crazy. You know what? I took it at 1-to-1. I'm too much of a pussy to hold through this. This momentum has just come out of absolutely nowhere. Or maybe it was off of that supply zone, which, if so, that is crazy because we're in a big uptrend. Everything. But yeah, that shit was beautiful. That shit was real nice. Well, I guess I got you guys on the breakdown for anyone that actually cares. These motherfuckers that really trying to improve might listen. So originally I was looking at this setup right here because it'd fill in all these gaps, which is the one thing that I didn't like about this setup, was that it had hella gaps below, and we just kept breaking structure up again, and then this broke the recent high, and it created this nice supply zone which had a massive push up, gap in the zone, so it's high probability. And by the way, looks like I got out at a good time. That momentum really did scare me off. Now it's broken candle to the downside. That's a good sign that you shouldn't be holding. So hey, good shit on my exit though. But yeah, other things on this trade, we are above the 200 EMA. We're clearly in an uptrend from here as we started breaking highs. And yeah, that's about it for the most part, man. So join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting this win, posting my losses. Although sometimes I forget to post because, yep. But that's it, man. I'll see you hopefully sometime this week. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. Catch that shit. But yeah, I'll see you then, man. Peace.